I was 15 when I found you in the rain. You were small and didn't trust the world yet. I thought I was just taking you home, but somehow you became part of it, part of me.
What you just saw is a preview of a 90-second AI short film I created entirely with Topview Drama Studio. The entire story follows one man, me, and his cat across a lifetime. So let me show you exactly how I made it, and at the end of this video we'll watch the complete film. Okay, so here in Topview AI you have a new part called Drama Studio. And I would say it's like your AI filmmaking assistant. Here you can upload your script or just write a simple idea, like for example. So generate the movie about a man and his cat going through a full lifetime. With that simple idea it will help you create a full film, but I will actually upload my own short script. So here it is, titled The Cat Who Stayed, a touching cinematic short film that follows a man and his beloved cat across an entire lifetime. So nothing complicated, I can copy and paste this or upload a full document. And here we have a couple of options. This will be a single episode or a full TV series, let's put it like that. When you choose a series, then you will be able, of course, to create additional episodes. I'll use a single episode, professional writer, assistant writer, or top tier writer. The top tier spends more credits, of course, for the agent part, and the professional writer is kind of optimized for cost and good results. So I'll choose that. And let's click. Now you need to choose the art style. So we have theatrical cinema, modern microdrama, French art house, we have dystopia, we even have David Lynch style, Wes Anderson style, Christopher Nolan style. So this is pretty great, you know. This will decide the mood of the whole film, the colors, lighting and everything. I like the French art house. You also have different animation styles or custom. Here also single or multi-episode, ratio 69, episode duration I will choose to auto, video language English, and here on auto review and optimize after generation, outline and script, AI will automatically perform a round of review and optimization. Quality improves but generation takes longer. Let's check that in. Confirm and start creating. Great, so it understood my idea completely. Here is everything, and then it started creating an episode outline. So you see here is the full outline. Of course, I can change that, and I did in my original film. I asked a couple of additional questions. Then it proposed a couple of protagonists. So the man, the wife, the daughter, I removed them later. The cat first, second. Then I said it should be the same cat. That's the whole point. Great. Then it recreated the episode outline, which is nice. And now we have the man, protagonist, ages 15, 25, 35, 45, 60, and 70. This will be me. Then the same cat, and then it created the character lineup. So here we have all of that. And directly in the canvas here, it enabled me to choose and generate my character. So now if I click on characters, here you see we have the man age 45. This was created by me locally uploading my reference image and then using its proposed prompt. So you see custom prompt. Here I added this image of me on my green screen and it created a nice reference sheet of myself at age 45. Looks pretty good. Then we have me as a teenager, also pretty nice reference sheet. Me as a 25 years old. All of that was proposed by the filmmaking agent. I just uploaded my original image. Here I am, 40, 60, and then finally 70 years old. Oh my god. It's weird to see yourself aging. And then we have the cat kitten. I actually uploaded the image of my real cat and it created the nice little kitten. And then we have the cat senior. They mostly look the same from adult to the senior. And you see this is my real original cat. Very cute little being. After that, it did self-optimization and check to see if everything is here. So you see the man age 15, age 25, age 40, everything is good. The cat adult here is duplicated. Please delete one manually in the workbench. Workbench is basically this one here. And then I can go into the characters and delete this one or add a new character, for example, and change the appearance. Then it went into creating props, which some of them I used, some of them I did not use. So for example, bills and paperwork, you see here in the props, all of those are here. the bills, the coffee mug and everything. And then it went on to creating environment. So we have rainy street, alleyway. I changed some of those, regenerated, of course, just clicking here, regenerate, it will make you a different image. And here you can change the whole prompt or import from the board if you would like to reuse something previously created in Topview. Nice. Now we have everything. And here it started creating different scenes. So scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Here you can see the full script for each episode, actually for each scene, and the voiceover. This is important. Here it proposed to create voiceover for each scene, which I removed later, because when you create voiceover for each scene separately, then you will have the different sound of a man each time. So in the chat here, I said, this is important. So remove the voiceover completely and dialogue and only leave natural sounds. This is because then you can easily add music and voiceover by yourself. Finally, when you are satisfied with everything, click here on Enter Video Production, and then you can create scene by scene with already proposed detailed prompts and all of the characters, props, and everything. So here is the detailed prompt. If you're not satisfied, regenerate the prompt as I did many times and added some of my own wording. And interestingly enough, you can also generate a storyboard. So here you see I generated my first storyboard to create a video out of that. I was not satisfied with it. Then I created another one, which I was satisfied. Here you can change the model, Seedance 2.0 or Seedance 2.0 fast, resolution, generation count, and everything. So here I am a little bit older. In the other apartment, the cat is also a bit older. And then finally, much more older with the cat living by myself. Of course, I'm aware that cats are not living up to 40 years or 50, but you know, this is kind of an imaginary scenario. And who knows, perhaps one day cats will live so long. There are many different medical studies right now promising that actually. Finally, when you are satisfied, you can of course upscale, remove subtitles, capture current frames to continue from that. So for example, here you can see if you created that scene and then you click on continuous scene, it will gather the last frames of the previous video and create continuous videos that I used sometimes for continuation between these and these scenes. When you're finally satisfied, click on export, and that's about it. And now we can watch the full short film. Here it is.
I was 15 when I found you in the rain. You were small and didn't trust the world yet. I thought I was just taking you home, but somehow you became part of it, part of me. Years passed faster than I noticed. Life changed, people came and went. But you stayed in every version of it. I stopped counting the days. I started remembering the moments, and you were always there, in all of them. Now everything is quiet, and I don't feel afraid anymore, because you're still here. You always were, yes. You really were.
Nice, this was a rather emotional film for me. So what about the pricing? Well, this overall conversation with the AI writing assistant and the agent, which is really long because I had so many questions and changes to the script. You know, I had a conversation that lasts for many words here, and it spent only 29.7 credits for that, which is rather nice. Then of course we have images and we have videos. For Seedance 2.0 on Topview, 15-second video generation costs 15 credits if it's 72p. If it's 1080, then it's 37.5 credits. You can always use, of course, other models or Seedance 2.0 fast to make things cheaper. And I think they have one of the lowest generation per second on the market. Finally, you can also generate with unlimited 0 credit mode if you wait for more time. Now, one additional thing that I forgot to mention here is on audio. So voiceover I did here also on Topview AI. Here you can check many different voices that are either from Minimax, 11 Labs, V3 or some other providers, and they sound pretty good. I've chosen the gender male and the older age so that he talks from his hospital bed and remembering his life of him and his cat. So this is for the voiceover, and for the AI music I used here Minimax Music 2.6, and the prompt was soft felt sad emotional piano plus subtle ambient strings, and then we got this. Which I really like, or this. So those kind of music goes really well with those emotional films. And yeah, finally, I hope you liked the film and the overall tutorial, and please share your opinions in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one.